Hi guys. So yeah, sorry I've been MIA in the last Saturday and Friday, I guess. I had the best intentions to make some videos and they just didn't come together, but didn't have the time and I like to just make my videos and take time instead of rushing through. Like if I had an idea, I just had a lot of errands on Friday and then all yesterday we're doing some other things and I know a lot of people had asked or wishing me a happy Thanksgiving with Matt and things, and unfortunately he had to reschedule his plane the last time around, so he is actually coming in today. So, cleaning up the house and doing all these other things. But I do have some fun things to share that came in from HSN and LDRS Creative. So if anything's still available, I'll have links in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. A lot of those items, the LDRS one was a Cyber Week kind of Black Friday sale stuff, and then the other things from HSN are just things I had picked up. I'm still waiting. Well, not still waiting, I guess. Well, I guess in a way, for art impressions and impression obsession and spellbinders and a few orders from Tonic. So those will come in and we'll share those when they come in. But right now, I'm just going to do a quick call, and I just wanted to say hi, guys, and sorry I wasn't around the last couple days here, but I do have some ideas, so they will be coming out shortly. Of different videos that I pulled the things together. I even have them sitting out here in front of me, but I just didn't have the chance to come and actually do them. Oh, okay. This is another Autoship. Oh my goodness, Vianney. From Crafter's Companion off of HSN. I haven't even used the first set. I just thought these were fun, but like I said, you're gonna have to cut them into your front of your card. You're gonna put acetate or something on the back because you do need to make it more sturdy, obviously, than just this. You can cut the letters if you like, but the word have a different color. But I don't know. I thought I had canceled this auto ship, to be honest, but you know me. All right. Well, there's another set. I will have to pull them out and actually use them. This lighting is so crazy. I thought it was okay, and now it looks weird. Looks more yellow over here. Anyway, this is an Anna Griffin set. I don't recall which one this is. Oh, okay. Do I? Okay, hold on. Let me look at the receipt. I don't know if this is the actual auto ship or if I just bought another one. It has a little asterisk by it. It might be the auto ship. Anna Griffin Lace Finishing School Box. I think it's an auto ship because of the price, because they usually come out higher if you buy it separately later. So, this is very pretty. Let's see. Heirloom lace. Includes cards, envelopes, cardstock, all that. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Okay, when this comes out, I'm going to buy another one. Sometimes what she's been doing on HSN, and it will sell the cards and things separately so you don't have to buy the dies again. Or she sells the dies separately because maybe somebody wants the dies. So, pretty cool. Look how pretty. I love the colors in this. These are the 3D stickers. And look at this one. So different, right? Isn't the design so different for Anna? That is so pretty. I can't tell if these are layered up. I mean, obviously I'll do a whole... Yeah, they are. They're 3D also. We'll do a video on these, put the card together. Happy birthday to you, get well soon, thinking of you. So there's lots of different things in there. The little topper pieces, or however you want to use them. Some of these I've included as toppers, but look at the little butterflies. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is such a pretty set. The foil, I'll do a complete unboxing. Well, I don't know if I'll do another unboxing, but like I said, a tutorial with them. Oh my gosh, look at the foil. Bigger pieces in the back. So this will be pseudo unboxing. Look at these card bases. I want to see something. Okay, on the back, of course, this is handmade by. So that's peachy with the foil. This one's kind of like a very light blue or gray with the foil. Lavender, no foil on that. More like a chartreuse color. Oh. These are so pretty. And again, it goes with the china cabinet, so it's like the circular dies and they all mix and match and all of that goodness. Oh yeah, no, I'll definitely get another set of these. Or if she sells just the cards. And these are just the papers. You can cut into or layer up. It looks like they are double-sided on the back. They're just colors, plain colors. The little, so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this one. This is kind of interesting because, like, you're going to put it on top of this again, Probably not, but it's already done that way. I wouldn't cover up a whole beautiful card base, but, maybe for a different card. You could always use these pieces somewhere else, right? So pretty. And then the gold cardstock, which I can never get enough of. The cream colored envelopes, and then the dies, and an embossing folder. I always forget about the embossing folder. This is so awesome. This gets me thinking about more stuff too. So again, it's like circular, they're square cards, but of course you can do whatever you like. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dies. So these one, you know, it has that little inner circle. It has this one that doesn't cut out the center, and then it has the outline. This does cut out on its own though. So this is just like a shadow. This one also cuts out its own like doily circle, and then the shadow or background layer. And then the 4 corners are all the same, but just so you can get them cut quickly at once. So that's nice. And then all this is so cute. This goes back to like the designs in some of these guys. This is the Heirloom Lace 3D embossing folder. Yay! Okay, can't wait to try this out. I know something I have here has to do with, I don't know if it's finishing school or some kind of card. This next box, I didn't have time to open it. Like these guys, I opened them just so that I would be able to just pull them out real easily for you guys. But I got one box in last night that I didn't really prep. So let me open this up, and then we'll go to the LDRS Creative stuff. And that stuff I did buy from LDRS Creative. It's not from HSN. Here. Oh, weird. Okay, so yeah, this came in a box. I'll show you the box real quick. It's just a plain box, right? And it did have a barcode on the outside, so this is an Anna Griffin set. But like I said, they have 3 sets, I think, right now on HSN. That are like a collection of things, you know, which is kind of interesting. So I picked up one of them. I'll probably go back and pick up the other 2 if, you know, it strikes my fancy. But china cabinet cards and envelopes, china cabinet embellishments, and mini birthday stickers. So like I said, it's just like the paperwork that goes along with some of these sets. Why is this so close? Is that as far out? That's it. As far up as my camera is set up right now. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Okay, well these are nothing new. The mini birthday set, I love those stickers, so I was happy to get another set of those. So I just want to show this to you. So look at that. The china cabinet cards and envelopes. I think this is from the first one, possibly. But these are gorgeous. So I, again, super happy to have these. I don't even need this box because I'll just put them away. These are the embellishments. So again, without the dies, right? Because I don't need the dies again. We need more of the stuff that you actually use up. I love that these are... Oh my gosh, I almost want to get another set of these. The china cabinet floral stickers are in here. I'll show them to you really quickly because, again, these originally came in the china cabinet thing. Look, and there are tons in here. So pretty. Of course, it says there's 120 of them in there if you want to know specifically. And then this one, and oh my goodness, I feel like I hear Miranda walking around already. That's what happened the other day. I was like, okay, I'm gonna make this video, and she woke up like 10 minutes after I did, and there was no making a video. And then, you know, just everything else I have to take care of around here. All right. These guys, these are so cute. So these are available for purchase separately. Maybe they're sold out, I don't know, but this is a group of all 3 of these things. So these are really cute. I already have a stash of these and I've shown them to you guys before, but super cute stickers. So I like that. And let's see what we have here from LDRS Creative. I'm telling you, I was going to make a card with some of the items that they had sent for review. So I have all these things sitting out because I'm ready to make the video, but I just did not have a chance. So I'm going to put these to the side. But this is stuff I ordered from, again, Cyber Week. So basically it was 30% off extra off the clearance items. Yeah, that's what it was. I was going to say I suppose, but yeah, that's what it was. Why is this so yellow? Let's see. Oh, that one looks better. It'll start looking yellow in just a second, I know. Weird. Okay. Oh, wow. This just looks so much fun. So they packaged it in a box, but then this box within that box, and it felt really heavy because I bought a lot of paper. So let's see what we have here. So I don't believe I have this stamp set yet. I might have picked up something similar on HSN, but if I do, then I'll give this away. But I don't recall right now. But the magic of Christmas never ends, and its greatest gifts are our family and friends singing jingly jangly jolly joy. Like, just so cute, the little things that are in here. Dear Santa, I can explain. Really sweet set. Let's see here. Sending Wishes mailbox. This is another one that I might already have because I used to collect all like the polka doodles things, so it could be that I already have something like this in an HSN bundle, but I'll figure it out, and then if I do or don't, whatever, we'll do a little giveaway. But look how cute the little guy is. I just love the little envelope. I mean, and it actually folds up. How cute. Just for the dimension of it, you know. Adorable. The lampposts and railings. Just a cute addition to pop here and there, wherever it is that you want to do or use. Very cute. And then the Victoria border, you know, I love me a lace border. Oh, this is a big boy. It's 1.5 inches basically wide and 6 inches almost in the height. That's really cool. This was just too cute. I have some other dies that cut fringe and things, but this is a fringe die, and I don't know if you can see on this end it doesn't cut. So if you wanted to continue the fringe, you just line it back up and then keep going so you have a longer strip or whatever it is that you want to do with it. But I think this is like a 6-inch strip, it looks like. And it just, they had some cute examples, and I really want to use this with the pastry pal set. I think that'll be really cute. Oh, this guy, a cover plate. Even without the 30% off, this one's a great deal. So, you know, if you're still interested, or if they still have them, I'll link it there. But it's the Barber Stripes die set. So it has this one that cuts these cool little things in the front of it. It says set of 3. So I don't know if you can see here. You're supposed to nip those little areas that are little pieces of metal in here too. So you have the hello and then you have the square. Oh, look at that. Love it. So pretty. I love, like, she calls them cover plates, or, yeah, I think. Them background dies or whatever you want to call them. And oh, this little one, this is the puppy prince. I had to get her because the little puppy's so cute. And then we have our little lady. And then another thing that's really adorable is that it comes with the face stamp, so you don't have to like do anything about that. You can just stamp her little face, and it comes with, look at her little shoesies. So I only grabbed the one because I know I have some of these, but I don't remember having this one, so I grabbed that one for sure. Pastel patterns paper. It's the 4x9 paper. I'm not going to go through every single one because there's a lot of papers, but as you can see, it's really cute for backgrounds. I think, did I get that one in a 6x6 too? Yeah. I got that also in 6x6. Her Daisy Delight paper, which has a really deep color. Oh, how cute is this? I just love the tones in this paper. I'll show you a quick peek just because this one's a little bit different than some of the other kind of patterns. Look at that. And again, it has that design where I was telling you, it looks like they're copied. I don't know how to explain it, but so cute. Look at the, oh, I love it. Love the colorway on this. So cute. Oh, and these are just plain cardstock colors, perfect papers for die cutting machines, and basically it has like skin and hair colors, and then itsy ditzy patterns, it says, and colors for clothing. So I thought that was really cute because I do have a lot of dyes that, you know, I need for like skin tones and like people and stuff like that. So this is really cute because it's a very small pattern, and then you have your tones for skin and hair and stuff. So love that. This one's the Seaside Collection. Very cute. I have lots of nautical things, so that'll work out real well. This one, I thought, again, pastry pals will be really fun to use with these papers. This one's the Sweet Sensations. I think I also got this in 12x12 or something similar. But look at the little black and white checker. I love that, you know, with the candy. Like, this is just so cute. And then Sweater Weather, which is kind of like a fall theme, in my opinion, but, you know, she has little things there. Look at this one. So cute. This is Country Lane purple paper with the turquoise kind of color. Really pretty, I thought, colorway. And then we have, yes, and I got 2 of this one because it was such a great price. I was like, I need 2 of this one. Well, they were all great price, but I already knew that I really liked this design. So 24 sheets of the candy counter paper. I mean, look at that, you guys. So cute. So yeah, I think this one's called Candy Counter, where this other one is Sweet and Sensations. As you can see, they're slightly different. Like what's going on with this one than what's going on over here. The little tickets and the cupcakes, and oh, just so cute. So that's what I have for you guys today. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. And I know whenever I did the last giveaway, I realized I hit 27,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for interacting, for watching, for commenting. I know I've been a little bit, like I said, missing the last couple days, but we'll hit the ground running tomorrow, hopefully. And oh, another thing YouTube is doing that's kind of weird is they're hiding the dislikes, the thumbs down. Like you can see how many thumbs up a video has, but you don't see the thumbs down. I can see it in my portal, like if I cared enough about that to look for it, because you guys know I don't care. That's why I allow thumbs up and thumbs down, like whatever. I always, I know some creators don't do that, and it's like you're always gonna get more thumbs up than thumbs down. Like who cares, But now they've hidden it, so it's just kind of interesting. So maybe you've noticed that. One other thing is they are changing some rules on YouTube, and I need to find out more about it or read more about it, because it says like for giveaways or contests, it says one thing they're gonna be looking at is that you can't, like, what's the word, make it so that you're giving a false impression of how many people like your video. So like if I say, oh, give a thumbs up and, say enter me, I think I'm not supposed to say that anymore. That's starting in January. So I don't know how that's going to run. So how I'm going to do giveaways going forward, I really don't care. I can just not say give a thumbs up. I don't care about that. But at the same time, the comments, right, to say enter me. So like how else do you enter? I don't know. So I need to look into it. If you have a YouTube channel, definitely read up about it. I think they sent the same email to everybody because it's just part of the terms of use that they're changing January 5th or something. So I need to look into that and see what that's about or what that means. And maybe that's not a false impression. Maybe that's fine. Maybe it's something else that people ask people to do. I don't know. So I need to look more into that. But I surely appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys. I hope you're having a great day. And I hope I'll see you tomorrow. I'm sure I will. I need to get to work. So have a great week, and I'll see you guys hopefully, like I said, tomorrow. And any links for the stuff that's available, I'll have it there in the description box. All right, guys, I hope you're enjoying your day, and like I said, you're getting in your Cyber Week deals, a lot of fun things. But like I said, we just sit and wait now. All right, bye now.